Croatia has formally unveiled the Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial system, adding a new modern capability to its air force alongside the recently acquired Rafale multirole fighters. On September 2, at the Colonel Marko Živković barracks at Pleso, the Croatian Air Force presented the new Bayraktar TB2 systems during a ceremony attended by senior military and government leaders. 6 combat drones are now assigned to the 125th Combat Reconnaissance Squadron, with Croatian crews trained in Turkey operating the aircraft. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense Ivan Anušić praised the system's performance following a live demonstration. Today we had the opportunity to observe the impressive operational capabilities of the Bayraktar, demonstrated by our personnel who received their training in Turkey, Anušić said. He added that the drones can be used not only for combat missions but also in civilian roles such as search and rescue. General Tihomir Kundid, Chief of the General Staff of the Croatian Armed Forces, emphasized the broader importance of unmanned aircraft. Unmanned aerial systems are no longer just support assets but have become a key element of the combat power of the Croatian Armed Forces, Kundid stated. He explained that Croatia has started equipping and developing new capabilities to operate with strategic-level systems such as the Bayraktar, as well as tactical drones including FPV platforms. Colonel Tijan, commander of the 125th Squadron, underlined the significance of the program. In a very short period, the Croatian Army and the Croatian Air Force have fully mastered this task and once again proved that they can successfully implement even the most complex projects, he said. Tijan also described the training requirements, noting that each system is operated by 2 pilots with high levels of knowledge and skill. The training program was conducted in Turkey between April and August. All Croatian personnel completed the course with above-average results, earning praise as a motivated and successful group. A second group of trainees is scheduled to begin instruction in Turkey next year. The Bayraktar TB2 system delivered to Croatia includes 6 aircraft, a command and control center, a training simulator, ground control stations, data terminals, spare parts, associated weapons, and 2 years of technical support from Baykar specialists stationed in Croatia. The package also covers 2 years of warranty and ongoing training support. The Bayraktar TB2 is designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, electronic warfare, and precision strike missions using guided munitions. It can operate day and night and is currently in use by 37 countries worldwide, including several NATO members. Beyond combat roles, the drone can be employed for border monitoring, fire surveillance, intelligence gathering, and disaster response. Croatian officials noted that other ministries, including Interior, Agriculture, and Construction, may employ the drones for civilian tasks. The system's introduction provides the Croatian Air Force with a combat-proven platform that has seen extensive use in conflicts from the Middle East to Eastern Europe. The TB2's ability to carry precision weapons and provide real-time intelligence offers Croatia an expanded range of operational options both domestically and within NATO missions.